Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. Today is Tuesday, August 16th, and I don't have an article to look at today. I'm actually going to make this a quick one because the internet is out in my apartment, and I'm using my phone as a hotspot to record and upload, so let me get through this one quick. I wanted to start here on the S&P 500. So stocks were green today, and then they sold off kind of sharply near the end of the day. And we actually got just shy that trend line that we drew out, and it sold off hard. We kind of broke out of this zone as well. So we broke out of this zone of resistance on the S&P 500 and immediately sold off hard back to it. So not super bullish, but not super bearish either. We're definitely feeling the selling pressure of these two resistances right here, and maybe that'll trigger a deeper sell-off. Maybe we'll get a correction. Maybe we'll get a further continuation of the bear market. But I do think we're due for some selling here. I think we're a little bit overextended for sure on the S&P 500. If we look at the moving average, we're really far away from that moving average, and that's usually something that causes a mean reversion, especially on the S&P 500. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still in the middle of no man's land. It moves with the NASDAQ almost verbatim. It's up 0.23% right now. It's just shy of 24,000. It is looking a little bit weaker right now. We still have higher highs and higher lows on it, but barely a higher high up here. It looks like it's starting to turn back over a little bit, but Bitcoin is extremely volatile, so we'll see what happens with that. Also, Biden signed in the Inflation Reduction Act into law today, so that includes increased auditing of basically the middle class, so that'll be interesting how that takes effect. They are going to hire 87,000 IRS agents, and they're really trying to scrape up all the money they can from the American people, so we'll see how that goes. They kind of snuck that in there with like a bunch of other policies, but that'll do it for me today. I think it's going to be really interesting how the market reacts to this level that we're at right now. It looks like it sold off pretty heavily after we broke through that zone, so maybe we see a continuation of that throughout the rest of the week, but that'll do it for me. Thank you for watching, listening today, and I'll see you all tomorrow.